Okay everyone, today is a great day for making sauerkraut.
All my vegetables cut up and my apples as well, everything's shredded here. But one important step I forgot to mention at the beginning is to save some of those larger pieces on the outside of the cabbage. We're going to use these on top of the jar through the fermentation process. The next thing to do is to add salt. So it's about 1/2 tablespoon per pound. I have just about 5 pounds of shredded cabbage here. But then we're gonna massage this in, really breaking it up, soften up a little bit, and get watery. You're gonna notice that the salt is drawing out the water. Okay, this has been sitting for about 1/2 hour. I'm going to add the other fruits and vegetables to the mix. If I haven't mentioned already how beneficial fermented food is for your gut microbiome, this is a big reason why I've started to incorporate more fermented foods in my diet. Take it up a notch. I'm gonna add 1 chili pepper. I'm just gonna take the stem off and throw that in whole. Who knows, like a little heat in my food. And a little bit of this caraway seed. I'm gonna do one more mix and start transferring this into a new pot I'm trying, a ceramic fermenting pot. People do ferment sauerkraut for 4 to 5 weeks, sometimes longer.
Okay, I added all that cabbage and vegetable and apple there into this jar, and I do have about maybe 2 inches of liquid on top there. I've done some mashing, and you can see there's a fair amount of liquid. So I'm gonna put this cabbage leaf on top, just to give it a little barrier here between the fermented product. And then this jar also came with weights, which is really nice. So I have these ceramic weights that I've cleaned. I'm just gonna insert those in on top of that leaf. They do have to be placed. It's a little tricky here to angle them in and on top. And now, I'm just gonna push down with this instead. The water is even sitting on top of those, and that's what we want. Okay, then this lid will go on top. And then we add the water around the edge. And now this seals it off, so nothing will get inside. A water barrier creates a nice seal, yet the fermentation can occur. So this is gonna sit for 4 to 5 weeks, and we'll come back and take a look at that and hopefully get a delicious product.
Okay everyone, it's been 4 weeks since I started this sauerkraut batch. Looks good from what I see. I'm going to pour this into a larger bowl. That looks good. All right, the jar is empty. I love it. Crunchy than I thought it would be, but this is really good. I'm happy. I can't wait to try another batch, try other methods and kits and things that you might find. And let me know, share your recipes. Okay, bye.